Hi guys, and welcome to a new week of Retrowheelz content. We are cleaning up the shop. As you can see, the Mark 1 Cabrio moved from one side to another. Now we have our GTI and the Corrado here. Why? Because this week 3, maybe 4 cars are coming to the shop. The Rally Golf owner took our offer, so very nice, very
Great
good.
Success.
He's on his way now. We are fixing the Passat in some minutes, and then we're going to the guy's place to pick up the 8-valve Calypso Green GTI. And then on Tuesday we're going to look at a... If it's any good, it will be our low show project. So keep some thumbs up for me. The car is good, and I'll take you guys on the trips, of course. Monday morning in our old shop, rescuing our 84 GDI. It's almost a barn find, but the neighbors, they had a fire and the fire department has been standing on our roof. So we're getting the car out now. So the insurance guy just came and checked the car out, but we have some damage. A lot of damage. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but big scratches here, a lot of scratches there, a dent in this corner. He stepped on the bumper and then a foot here, and then he got onto the roof of the car to check out if the fire was coming through. We're lucky that the Porsche doesn't have any damage, but the 84 GTI has some damage, so that really sucks. Car is inspected. Now I need to get a quote from a guy that can paint the roof, paint maybe the sides. So that's next. We need to raise the Passat a little bit because the 16-inch OZ wheels were rubbing against my fender. So let's raise the car so it's ready to go to the paint shop. Passat is outside and ready for the paint shop. Now we are waiting for the rally owner. He took our offer, so that's good.
Great Success.
He wanted to do one last drive with his car, so he is on the way to us. Once he's here, we're gonna drop him off at his place and we'll take the 8-valve with us. The van is standing ready with the trailer. One beautiful red Rally Golf has arrived. We're going to jump in the van and get to the guy at his place. We have arrived at the 8-valve and it's inside there. There is another little Mark II waiting to be rescued, but we are gonna try and save that one over there. Let's get everything out of the way and get this car out. We are back. What a day. The Rally Golf is here, and then I'll show you the Calypso Green Mark II. That's also here. It's still on the trailer. Going to look at a Polo Harlequin. We are back. We bought another car, so it's here. Time to unload it and see if we can find some space inside, because there are cars everywhere at the moment, but that's only a good thing. This car will take to Low Show in September, and the plan is to sell that car over there. It's time to finish off another wheel project, because we're not only here to buy and sell cars. We have a set of beautiful 16-inch 4x100 BBS RYs that we are finishing. This is, as you can see, a shiny polish lip, and this is what we start with. A black powder coated barrel. The lips are already nicely diamond cut, so now the only thing for us to do is sand them down, polish them, so they get this deep, nice shine. Afterwards, put them all together, and then we have another wheel that can be put up for sale and maybe ends up with one of you guys. So let's go! Another wheel project done. These beautiful BBSs are already sold, so you're too late. We have arrived and we are extremely long today. We're picking up the spare parts of the Rally Golf, and then later on we'll pick up our firemen 16 valve. That's the plan for today. We have lent a van of a friend so we can load in the parts. We'll bring some parts to the junkyard and some parts will go with us to sell. Now you know why we took the bigger van. We have a storage unit full with parts, new parts, old parts, GTI parts, normal parts, G60 parts, everything around it. So we're gonna get all of this in the van. We're on the way back with a car that has been in storage for 15 years. So it's dusty, we have a lot of parts, we need to sort everything, but it was a good day. Sun is shining, and look at that beautiful car. On the way home, because I need to prep some wheels to bring to the powder coater tomorrow, so I won't have any rest soon. Unload the car, get all the parts out of the van, and then start prepping some wheels. We have arrived at the shop, but I think we are getting a problem right here. Rally Golf is outside, GTI is outside, the Harlequin is still outside. We're unloading the Fire and Ice right now. The Calypso Green is outside, and my Corrado. Some forces have arrived. I have some helping hands. We're now unloading the van, and then we have a box full of more car parts. last day of our week. A lot of cars outside, a lot of cars inside. The Calypso Green is parked, the Fire and Ice is parked. We hoped we could park those cars at this side of the shop so the GTI could stay inside, but as you can see, that's not the case. We got parts, on parts, on parts. Now we need to sort all of this out, bring one part to the scrapyard, I think, keep the good parts, sell the good parts, that's the plan eventually, but more on that later when we get to all of this mess. I'm in my good clothes today because in an hour I need to be at maybe a big sponsor of our show, Pingla Car Meet. It will be held the first Sunday of October, so more on that in upcoming videos, but if you guys already want to mark the date, first Sunday of October, you need to be in Peer. And that's it for this one. What a crazy week. We bought new project cars. More on that in the next videos, of course. We finished wheels. We had a crazy week. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, do whatever you want. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.